Ndewo, welcome back. In today, I have an important information to give you. And what I'm about to teach you, you might not even know the difference. Do you know the difference between otu izu and otu izụka? Have you heard it before? I know you'll be hearing otu izụka. Do you know there is a difference between otu izu and otu izụka? Before the colonization, we the Igbos, we count only in 4 market days. Otu izu is that 4 market days, which is in 4 days. Izu abụọ means 8 days. Otu izu means 4 days. Izu abụọ means 8 days. But when the colonization came, they now taught us how to count in weeks, which is 7 days. And the first day of the week is always on the Sunday, which means otu izụka came in existence when the colonization came in existence in the Igbo tribe. We don't count otu izụka before. We count otu izu, which is the 4 market days, Eke, Orie, Afọ, and Nkwọ. But since the colonization, we now added and coined their 7 days to be calling the 7 days otu izụka. So have you seen the difference between otu izu and otu izụka? Otu izu is 4 days, which is the 4 market days, while the otu izụka is the 7 days, which the colonization brought to us. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in my next video. Kadi.